This is the American Express Company TradingView free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to view the price of the American Express Company, you can type in American Express Company, and as you can see here, there's a list of different ticker symbols. I recommend clicking the top one by the NYSE, and you have two options to launch the chart or to see the overview. We're going to click the second option. Now, the American Express Company, the current price is 251.13. You can take a look at the financial tab, the news tab, the technicals, etc, etc. If we scroll back up, you can click the actual chart or see on super charts on the top right hand screen. And now TradingView has successfully opened up and showed you the current price of American Express Company. If you click over here, you can scroll down and now you can click on the chart and move up or move down freely. You even have the volume tab by default, but a bonus tip is you go to the top left hand screen next to the plus and this candle icon, click right here. And currently we are at the 12-month chart if we scroll down, or the yearly chart. So it's basically showing one candlestick for every single year, or you see the bigger picture of the American Express Company. Now we're on the 1 week chart and we're seeing multiple candlesticks. If you want to perform technical analysis or you're just curious to see go up, go down, etc, etc, completely for free.